The 2027 Toyota Tundra is arriving with 8 trim levels, and the price gap between the cheapest and the most expensive is nearly $40,000. If you're planning to buy one and you're not sure which trim actually fits your needs, choosing wrong could mean overpaying for features you'll never use or missing the ones that matter most. What makes this lineup unusual is that the Tundra isn't just getting more expensive as it goes up, it's becoming an entirely different truck at each level, and some of the most important decisions have nothing to do with price at all. Number 8. SR. There's a persistent myth in the truck world that a base trim means a stripped-down machine you'd only consider if budgets force your hand. The Tundra SR tears that assumption apart. Starting at $43,500, it's packing more than the sticker price suggests. The SR runs Toyota's twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6, tuned here to 348 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque, paired to a smooth 10-speed automatic. Fuel economy sits at 18 city and 23 highway. Think about what most buyers actually need day to day: a reliable hitch, towing stability, and the confidence that the truck won't leave them stranded with a trailer attached. That's why it matters that every SR is coming equipped with a Class 4 trailer hitch, an integrated trailer brake controller, and trailer sway control straight from the factory. The safety suite is equally thorough. Adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, lane keep assist, and parking sensors are all standard, along with an 8-inch touchscreen with a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The SR is built for buyers who want capability without paying for features they'll never use. But number 7 isn't another incremental step up. It's a detour into territory the Tundra has never explored before. Number 7. TRD Hammer. Toyota has trademarked the name TRD Hammer, and prototypes have already been spotted testing with dramatically wider bodywork and upgraded suspension. This is Toyota's answer to the Ford F-150 Raptor, and it's been a long time coming. The TRD Pro is a capable overlander, but it's never had the wide-body stance or high-speed desert credibility that Raptor buyers demand. The TRD Hammer is being built to close that gap. Significantly widened fenders are going to house reinforced control arms, upgraded bypass dampers, and 37-inch all-terrain tires. New steel bumpers at both ends are improving approach and departure angles, and ground clearance is set to increase. The powertrain is going to be a recalibrated iForce Max hybrid, currently at 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. Expected to push to at least 450 horsepower, possibly beyond 500. Pricing is expected to start over $80,000. For the buyer who wants a truck that can genuinely run hard in the desert, nothing else in the Toyota lineup is going to come close. Back to the regular countdown, the next trim is where the Tundra's everyday appeal really starts to take shape. Number 6. SR5. The SR5 is where the lineup opens up, and at $46,500, the jump from the SR is immediately justifiable. The engine gets its full output back, 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. The SR5 is adding 18-inch alloy wheels, LED fog lights, a power-adjustable driver's seat, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a 60/40 split folding rear seat. One addition here matters more than it might appear: tow/haul mode. Anyone who has tried to hold speed on a downgrade with a loaded trailer, brakes heating up, the truck hunting gears, knows how quickly that becomes stressful. Tow/haul manages it automatically, adjusting shift points and applying engine braking to keep the rig composed. It's standard on the SR5. The SR doesn't have it. The SR5 also unlocks the TRD off-road package with Bilstein shocks, skid plates, all-terrain tires, a locking rear differential, and crawl control. It's also the only trim offering a double cab with an 8-foot bed, gone entirely above this point. The SR5 covers a lot of ground as a work truck, but if the daily commute matters as much as the job site, the gap between this trim and the next one is going to feel significant the moment you sit down inside it. Number 5. Limited. Starting at around $55,000, the Limited is where the truck stops being primarily a work tool and starts becoming a dual-purpose machine. More importantly, it's the first trim eligible for the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, backed by a full 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Long hours behind the wheel expose everything a truck's interior gets wrong: a seat that doesn't ventilate, a screen too small to read at a glance. Those details accumulate into fatigue on a long drive. That's That's why the Limited's upgrades matter beyond the spec sheet. Heated and ventilated front seats, a 14-inch touchscreen, leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, and soft-touch dashboard surfaces all arrive standard. Blind spot warning and rear cross-traffic alert are included as well. The Limited is the trim most reviewers point to as the sweet spot of the lineup, and the equipment level makes that easy to understand. That said, it's still largely focused on the driver. Number 4 is where the rest of the truck's occupants finally get the same treatment. Number 4. Platinum. The Platinum arrives at nearly $64,000 as the first trim where the word luxury stops being a stretch. Both engine options are available here. What separates it from the Limited is a focused push toward comfort for everyone, not just the driver. A panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated rear seats, rear window sunshades, a 12-speaker JBL audio system, driver's seat memory settings, and 2 120-volt power outlets in both the cabin and the bed are all standard. Hauling a family across several states in a full-size truck is a different experience when rear passengers can't control their own temperature or block out afternoon sun. That's exactly the situation the Platinum's rear climate features and sunshades are engineered to address. Less luxury checkbox, more practical comfort on long trips. Refined and genuinely capable, but the Platinum doesn't have a personality of its own. The next one fixes that without asking for much more money. Number 3. 1794 Edition. Starting at $64,500, nearly identical to the Platinum, the 1794 edition is aimed at a completely different buyer. Named after the year the land housing Toyota's Texas plant was first deeded, this trim's entire aesthetic flows from that heritage. Where the Platinum goes clean and modern, the 1794 goes warm and textured. Saddle tan leather upholstery, walnut wood grain interior trim, and massaging front seats set it apart immediately. There's a buyer who spends hours in a truck daily and wants the interior to feel like somewhere worth being, not just functional, but considered. The 1794's combination of warm leather tones, wood accents, and massaging seats is Toyota's answer to that need. It doesn't look like a Ram or an F-150 inside. It looks like a Tundra that knows where it came from. For around the same money as the Platinum, it delivers more character, but neither trim is going to give you what arrives at number 2. That one isn't about comfort, it's about capability, and it operates in a completely different league. Number 2. TRD Pro. The TRD Pro is built from the ground up with a different mission, and everything about it reflects that. At $72,500, it comes exclusively with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain and 4-wheel drive. The hybrid isn't here for fuel economy. Its electric motor delivers instant torque at 0 RPM, which transforms low-speed trail driving in ways peak horsepower simply can't. Off-road driving punishes inadequate suspension faster than any other environment. That's the problem the TRD Pro's hardware eliminates. Fox 2.5-inch internal bypass front dampers, remote reservoir rear shocks, a 1.1-inch front suspension lift, an aluminum skid plate, a locking rear differential, and 18-inch wheels with all-terrain tires are all standard. An LED front light bar and over-fender marker lights make its intent clear from any angle, while synthetic leather upholstery with camo-style inserts and rubberized floor mats acknowledge this truck is going to get dirty. The TRD Pro does what the Platinum can't and what the 1794 doesn't attempt, but it makes no promises about luxury. That's where the final trim comes in, playing an entirely different game. Number 1. Capstone. At $80,800, the Capstone makes a very specific argument that a full-size truck can deliver genuine luxury without giving up what makes it a truck. The iForce Max Hybrid and 4-wheel drive are standard. 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque as the baseline, not an upgrade. The hybrid battery is covered for 10 years or 150,000 miles. 22-inch alloy wheels, power-deploying running boards, a power cargo bed step, semi-aniline leather upholstery, noise-reducing front door windows, and a head-up display are all standard. Every Platinum feature carries over, including panoramic sunroof, JBL audio, surround view camera, heated and ventilated seats throughout, the acoustic glass, the deploying running boards, the premium leather. These aren't luxury details for their own sake. They're what make daily life in an $80,000 truck feel like the price was earned. The 2027 Tundra lineup is one of the most diverse in the full-size segment. 8 trims with a Raptor rival landing somewhere in between. The SR delivers value without cutting corners, the SR5 unlocks the most configurations, and the Limited is where the hybrid first becomes available, which is the most consequential decision point for most buyers. The Platinum and 1794 serve different tastes at nearly the same price. The TRD Pro goes where no other trim can off-road, and the Capstone proves a full-size truck can be genuinely refined. Whatever the priority, capability, comfort, off-road performance, or value, there is a version of the 2027 Tundra built specifically for it. The 2027 Tundra offers something for everyone, but could that be enough for commercial success? Rivals are shaping up for the next year, including the 2027 GMC Sierra, which is coming with a brand new hybrid powertrain you can check out in our next video.